The history of the BMW M3. The BMW M3 is one of the most legendary performance cars ever built, blending power, precision, and daily usability. Since its debut in the 1980s, the M3 has evolved through multiple generations, setting the standard for high-performance sports sedans and coupes. Nashash E30 M3, 1986 to 1991. The first ever M3, the E30, was built for DTM racing and quickly became an icon. Powered by a 2.3-liter inline-4, it produced up to 215 horsepower and featured aggressive flared fenders, lightweight construction, and razor-sharp handling. E36 M3, 1992 to 1999. More power and refinement. With a 3.0 and later a 3.2-liter inline-6, the E36 M3 reached 321 horsepower in European models. This generation introduced a more refined interior, making it a true high-performance luxury car. E46 M3, 2000 to 2006, the high-revving legend. The E46 M3 is often considered one of the best. Its 3.2-liter inline-6 S54 made 333 horsepower, revving up to 8,000 RPM for an exhilarating driving experience. It remains a favorite among enthusiasts. E92 M3, 2007 to 2013, the V8. The E92 M3 introduced a 4.0 V8 S65 with 414 horsepower and a screaming 8,400 RPM redline. It also featured a carbon fiber roof, improving weight distribution and handling. Hashash F80 M3, 2014 to 2019, turbocharged power. For the first time, the M3 used turbocharging with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 S55, producing 425 horsepower. This generation also introduced the split between the M3 sedan and the M4 coupe. G80 M3, 2021 present, modern performance and controversy. The current G80 M3 is the most powerful yet, with a SOS 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 S58, making up to 503 horsepower in the competition model. It also introduced all-wheel drive, xDrive, for the first time, improving performance but sparking debate with its bold front grille. The M3 legacy, from its DTM racing roots to its modern turbocharged dominance, the BMW M3 remains the ultimate driver's car. A balance of performance, heritage, and innovation that continues to shape the automotive world.